These matte transitions will work on almost every version of Premiere Pro. Let me show you how to use these transitions. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Import video clips and place them on the timeline. I am scaling video clips down because these are 4K clips. Now let's import transitions. Place any transition clip on the timeline. Place it like that. Place second video clip like that. Take razor tool and cut second clip where transition clip ends. Now go to the effects panel and search for the track matte key. Apply it to the second video clip. Now go to the effects control panel. In track matte key effect, set composite using to matte Luma. Set matte to video 3, which is the transition layer. These are 4K transitions. To use these transitions in full HD sequence, scale transition clip by 50%. That's it. Thanks for watching.